How do fault lines create deep ocean trenches? Have you ever wondered how the ocean can be so deep in certain areas? The answer lies in fault lines and the movement of tectonic plates. Let's break it down. Fault lines are fractures in the Earth's crust where tectonic plates meet. These plates are massive sections of the Earth's surface that constantly shift and move. When two plates collide, they can create deep ocean trenches, especially at convergent plate boundaries. At these boundaries, one plate is often denser than the other. Typically, this denser plate is an oceanic plate. When these plates push against each other, the denser oceanic plate is forced beneath the other plate in a process called subduction. This downward movement causes the oceanic plate to bend and sink into the Earth's mantle. As it sinks, it creates a long, narrow, and very deep depression on the ocean floor. This depression is what we call an oceanic trench. As the oceanic plate approaches the boundary, it begins to bend downward. This bending causes the seafloor to flex and break, forming a steep, V-shaped trench. The outer edge of the trench is marked by bending faults, which are fractures in the subducting plate caused by the stress of bending. These faults create a stepped or stair-like appearance on the trench slope. Essentially, the trench is the surface expression of the fault line where the two plates meet. Ocean trenches are some of the deepest parts of the ocean, often exceeding depths of 6,000 meters, which is about 20,000 feet. The geological activity at these fault lines is intense, leading to frequent earthquakes. These earthquakes occur because the plates can stick to each other and then suddenly slip past one another. This seismic activity can also trigger tsunamis, which pose significant risks to coastal areas. In addition to earthquakes, subduction zones where these trenches form are often linked to volcanic activity. As the subducting plate descends, it partially melts, creating magma that rises to form volcanic arcs on the overriding plate. This volcanic activity, along with the earthquakes, highlights the destructive nature of these fault lines. In summary, fault lines at convergent boundaries create deep ocean trenches through the subduction of one tectonic plate beneath another. This process bends and fractures the oceanic crust, forming the trench and causing intense seismic and volcanic activity. Understanding these processes helps us grasp the natural disasters associated with earthquakes and tsunamis.